Hey everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this progress bar in Framer. So when I hit a certain section, the progress bar is gonna disappear. Also, when I land on the website for the first time, let's say, you won't see the progress bar until you scroll down. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna create a frame, add 4 pixels for the height, then call it progress bar. And now inside, I'm gonna create another frame. Click on the progress bar and click on layout. Then click on the frame. Put the height to fill and the width to fill as well. Let's select both of them and add a radius. Now I'll press Ctrl X and paste it inside the breakpoint. Then move it on top of the hero section, change from relative to fixed, and align it to the bottom. Add 20 pixels, go to styles and make sure your Z index is selected, then type in 10. Now make sure that all your sections have the scroll section activated. Then select the progress bar, go to effects and click on scroll transform. Now I will select section and view. Then I'm gonna select the first section. This is where I want the progress bar to show up. And then go to from, type in 0 for the opacity. And for the scale, type in 1. Then click on add section, select section number 8. That is the last section and that is where I want the progress bar to disappear. So I will select this section, click 2 and then change the opacity to 0. Now select the frame, go to effects, click on scroll transform, then leave it on scroll, click from, increase the opacity to 1 and the scale to 1 as well. You will have to add a negative offset. In my case, I'm using the shift and then the bottom arrow key on my keyboard to make sure I put this frame outside the progress bar. So let's zoom in. This looks fine. And now let's preview and see how it looks like. So as you can see, we don't have any progress bar, and when I scroll down, it shows up and it shows me the progress of my scrolling. Then when I hit the last section, it disappears. And yeah, so that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.